Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to do an update on HaruInvest. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification and leave a thumbs up to this video and let's get started. So for new viewers out there that do not know what is HaruInvest, basically it's an investment firm, I would say. But it is instead of like you need to put a monthly of like, I don't know, some investment firm out there, they will encourage you to do like a saving plans or insurance plans with you. Like putting in like 3K per year, and after that from there they're going to invest it for you, and after that basically it is basically what they are doing. And what is HaruInvest doing, I would say it's like the same concept, but they do not have like a contract with you to like invest your funds, and after that like monthly subscription and stuff like this. Basically it's a management investment hedge fund management for you to just deposit your crypto, and from there they're going to use whatever they can to whatever you deposit, and after from there they're going to use to generate income by trading. And from there, for the HaruEarn and HaruEarn Plus, if you sign up using my referral link down below, you will receive a 0.2 additional percentage out of the rates that they are offering. So basically, what's the difference about these two? HaruEarn is a flexible plan which you can basically deposit funds and withdraw it anytime, any moment you want. And for HaruEarn Plus, it is very simple. You will need to have a lockup period. The minimum lockup period is 15 days all the way to 365 days. So from there, you can choose the period of lockup, and of course the longer you lock up, the more interest rate you will receive. And after that, for the HaruInvest is simple enough to know that HaruInvest basically the terms over there they are offering is right now they are offering these two products. The asset type is Bitcoin and for US Tether, and after that I have invested with both of it. And after that, as you can see on the title itself, this video is about surf with the volatility. And after that, from there my investment has been unlocked, and after that I've withdrawn it, and I'm going to show it to you. And show it to you, and from there you can understand how does HaruInvest work, and of course the trustworthiness. So let's look at it. So over here you can see this is the platform on the back end. This is the HaruEarn, and it is showing you whatever you have, and from there you will earn investment daily. And for the HaruEarn Plus, I've locked up Ethereum for around 70 over days, and the interest rate they are offering is 11.27 annually. You can see every day it is generating income, and you can see day by day the interest rate is slightly higher than the day before. Because why? It is doing the compound interest. It is compounding, and therefore the interest rate it is basically receiving more. And after that, you can see once you have opened a HaruEarn Plus package, you can click on it, and after that just head over to the setting. And let's say you have accumulated all these like mine. I have earned a total of this amount and I want to withdraw it. It's very simple. Just head over to the setting and scroll down, and you will see transfer earnings. Just click on transfer, and after that, over here it's going to prompt you. Transferring your earnings will reduce the total earning payout. So as you can see, because when you open a HaruEarn Plus, so I'm going to show it to you. So over here, let's say you're going to do a set type of like Bitcoin, or let's say Ethereum. For Ethereum, you will need to enter the amount. So example, 1 Ethereum. And after that, the days over here, it is telling you 15 days you will earn a total of this earning. And after that, in the middle of these 15 days, let's say you want to withdraw some of the earnings may not be as accurate as what you have seen on the time when you created this lockup period. And of course, the rates varies from you can see, the longer you lock up, the higher you get. And after that, for 365 days, you're getting 15.2%. And for the HaruInvest, so you can see this is the ongoing terms that I'm having. So let's look at Bitcoin. For Bitcoin, the portfolio is going to end on the 31st of March. And for this is a newly invested one, so it's going to end around 1st of January, 31st of January. And you can see I put in 1.2 Bitcoin on this trading. And after that, I'm going to show you those that have ended. So over here, we're going to start off with the $150 one. So over here, you can see the investment period is from this date to this date. And after that, it has I've been paid out 3 times. And after that, you can see the balance is increasing. And let's look at the summary. So the total profit is almost $3 on this $154 investment, and they have a performance fee of 0.04. So how much is the performance fee? Basically, they take I'm going to show it to you. So once you click on add, and after that you can choose this, and over here. So over here, they're gonna charge you when if the performance of their investment product is exceeding more than 15% per annum, you will get charged and charged on a fee. And let's say if your investment is below 15% per annum, you will not be charged. And after that, if it's above, you will be charged 15%. And after that, if it's under 15% per annum, you will get charged 0%. So it's very clear cut and understanding. And of course, the target as well. And the minimum is 10. So we can look at all the other investment they have done. So over here, this is so far I would say the slightly bigger portfolio. Over here, almost $1,480, I would say I round it up. And after that, yeah, over here I've invested this amount. And after that, during this period, I've been credited with the total profit is 33.6. After the performance fee of $5, I receive a $28 net. So for how long? From this period to this period, almost 1.5 months, I would say. After that, we can look at a slightly higher. So this is the biggest portfolio that I have, which was 11.9k that I've invested in. And after that, you can see the total profit was 284 and deduction of $42 for the performance fee, for the management fee, I would say. And from there, I received this amount just by doing what? Simply nothing. Just a few steps of depositing into the HaruInvest, and from there just open up this contract, I would say, and after that let the funds roll, and after that receive interest rate. So I've been paid out for 3 times. So over here you can see the total earnings in returns, and after that I've gained around 2.3% for like 2 months, 1.5 months to be exact, I would say. So over here, this the clear cut. This is what it's gonna look like on the back end if your contract has been completed. So mine have been completed, and you can see this is what I've done, what I have gained, and in the total I've gained quite a lot over here. So we're gonna use the calculator and see how much we have gained. Look at this, and you can see so it's gonna take a while. So we're gonna skim through everything here. $28. So for 2.5k, you will be I've earned roughly almost $71 out of after the the management fee, I would say. So on this almost 10k worth of investment, I would say I put in like around 16k for 1.5 months. The returns is around 346, and after that I would say how much I've earned. Maybe an estimate of maybe 1.2 towards 1.5% of the investment in total. So over here you can see the balance. This plus this plus this plus this plus this, around 1.6 thousand worth of dollars being open on a contract. And after that, the good news is you might be asking, you put in so much money, are you able to get the money out? I will say yes, I've withdrawn it. So I'm going to show it to you. Over here, the withdrawal that I've done. So over here you can see this is all the withdrawal that I've done since the start of this whole investment. So you can see I've tried to withdraw 0.6 Bitcoin, and after that it is showing me it is reflected on the blockchain, and it is a legit transaction towards my wallet. And after that we can look at more withdrawal. And over here you can look at the $10,000 investment that have been done, and it is reflected on the blockchain as well. And yes, this is towards my exchange. And after that, yeah, everything here you see it is legit, and I've tried to withdraw and it is successful. And the withdrawal, I would say it will take around 24 hours for them to process. Therefore, do not be alarmed that why I've withdrawn and after that half an hour later it is not here and stuff like this. So you will need at least 24 hours for them to process your withdrawal, and after that from there you will receive your funds in your wallet. So for the withdrawal fee wise, over here you can see for US dollar they charge a withdrawal fee of $1, and after that for Bitcoin they charge a withdrawal fee of 0.0001, which I would say is quite cheap. And after that 0.05 of Ethereum, and KRT it is around 1000, which is quite a lot. I do not know how does KRT work, and I believe it's the ERC20 token. So you can check it out over here. Nope, it's not ERC20, it is their own blockchain. And after that from there, basically this is the overview of this investment with HaruInvest. And of course, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and after that of course turn on post notification. And if you are interested in seeing more videos about this, and of course if you have any product out there that you are interested in and you are keen in, just feel free to drop them down on the comment section, and I will do my best to understand the project and give you a conclusion. And of course, if the project interests me enough, I would put my money in, and of course, yeah, basically show you, and after that bring you more opportunity on this channel. So I hope you like the video, and see you on the next one. Peace.